Hey guys, I'm up on a ladder today and I wanted to show you something real quick. You can see I'm up kind of high. It's kind of fun. It's a nice day for it, but I wanted to show you what some of the things we look for on a... And if you can see, these are nice shingles and there's a nice drip edge and kind of lift the edge a little bit. You can see some felt and it's kind of a cool style of shingle, but if you really look, this is what you want to see. This is the thing that I find. They've used this drip edge and this other shingle to hide previous layers of shingles. These are not sealed down well at all, with lots of exposed nail heads, and it's just a sneaky thing they do every once in a while to try to make it look like it's got a single layer of shingles when really it could have 2 or 3, and right now 2 is the most you're allowed, and it will increase the cost of replacement the next time around. So get your house inspected, because you never know what's hiding under that new pretty drip edge.